So this is a brilliant idea for sandpaper or just different types of buffer. If you want to buff something out or sand something down, this connects to your drill and you use the drill to sand it. There's different levels. So you go from like a softer, more felt feel, then you have your 60, 80, 120, 180, 240, and all of those come with some extra ones, and they have 5 in each bag total. And then you get some more of these, like if you need to just get some grime or grease out, or just get some more things that are harder out, or just this one right here is really, really hard. If you're trying to get like rust off of a car or something, that would probably work. So each one does a different thing. So you'll screw this onto here, and this will go onto your drill. So this will screw in like that, and you pop that into your drill and check that out. So if you want to sand something like over here on the corner, if I wanted to sand some of this out, I can just hold it with 2 hands. As you can see, that's working. It's working great. So it gives you everything you need to get going with it. It's such a great idea, and it works great. So highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.